Good morning, dear students. So, welcome back. So, how are you all? Fine. Okay, I know all are relaxed now after the first semester exam. Now, we will start with the second semester studies. Okay. Before that, I want to tell you, in between, no one will be raising the hand. Okay. For clearing your queries, the first 10 minutes will be given. You will be asking your doubts only that time. Okay. So first, let me explain the lesson. After that, I will give you time to clear your queries. Okay. So because in between, if you raise hand, it will be disturbing everyone. All right. It's clear now. You can hear me now, everyone. And video should be on. I want to see you all. Okay, everybody's video should be on. Vinayak Verma, 5th A. Chaitanya. Video should be on. Okay. I know you may be tired from morning you are sitting in the class, but this is the last period. Okay, after that, you can take rest. So shall we start? Okay. So first, let me tell about the syllabus of second semester. You will have only 3 lessons. Okay. Take a pencil with you and you can mark the syllabus. Okay. It is given page number 2, the contents given now. There you mark the second semester syllabus. Second semester, you have lesson 4, that is advanced formatting in Word. Then you have lesson 5 and lesson 6. And also you have test paper 1. Okay. This is based on lessons 1 to 4. Okay. So lesson 4, advanced formatting in Word. Lesson 5, enhancing the look of your presentation. And lesson 6 is formatting a presentation. Okay. So 4 and 5 is lesson 4 is MS Word. 5 and 6 is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. And also test paper 1, it is based on lessons 1 to 4. Okay. So this is your Tommy. Yes, Vinayak, you can see now. See the board properly. Aradhya, Ananya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. You're seeing it now?
No, ma'am, by mistake.
You cannot see.
No, ma'am, we can see it. We can see it clearly.
See it. No. Okay, I hope you can see it. What is written on the board is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will start now. All of you take out your book. We will start with lesson 4, that is advanced formatting in PowerPoint. Okay, in this lesson, first we will study about what is Microsoft Word. You have already studied about Microsoft Word in the previous lesson. Yes? Right? So can anyone say what is Microsoft Word? Okay, yes, Satyam Srivastava. Satyam, tell me, what is Microsoft Word?
Ma'am, Microsoft Word is a document app which used to write text.
Microsoft Word is a document. Okay, it is used to write text. It is clear. It is a word processing software. Is it an application software or a system software? Can anyone say that?
Ma'am, it is appliances, not appliances software.
It is not appliances application. Okay, Shishanda Agarwal, 5th B.
Ma'am, it is application software.
It is an application software. You have already studied what is application software and what is system software. Application software means it is an app. Okay. So Microsoft Word is an application software. It is a word processing software which is used for typing, editing, and formatting text. Editing means after typing, you can make some changes in that. Okay. Formatting means you can make some changes to make your document attractive, to make your document beautiful. Yes, you know that you after writing, maybe after writing a poem, you decorate your work, you color it. Yes, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you do that?
Ma'am, because it looks beautiful.
Yes, it looks beautiful. We all like beautiful work. So same way, you can make your Microsoft Word document also beautiful, attractive. Okay, so here we are learning how to give a perfect look to your document. Okay, so in this lesson, we will be studying about what is margin and how to change the margin. Okay, setting margins, then setting the indents and tab. Okay, we will study what is indent and how to set it. Then adding columns to Microsoft Word, then inserting the breaks, page break, column break, all this. Orientation, page orientation is how a page is displayed. Then page size, creating header and footer, page border, color, shading. All these topics we will be learning in this lesson. So we'll start with the first topic. You all know that what is margin. Because when you write in your copy, there is a margin, left margin and top margin.
Yes,
Down in your copy with a red line. Yes?
yes, ma'am.
If you are using a blank paper to write, first you will draw the margin, then you will write. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Same way, in Microsoft Word also, while writing, you have to use the margin all the four sides. Okay? First of all, what is margin? Okay? Margin is a blank space between the text and the sides of a page. So page margins are the blank spaces that are there on all the four sides of a paper. Suppose you are writing on a paper, okay? Yeah, you will leave some space here. So some four margins. Which are the four margins?
Top margin,
Atul?
top margin, left
Up
margin,
margin, right margin,
margin.
left margin, lower margin.
The left margin. This side.
Right margin.
Here it is. The
Top margin.
top margin. This side you have the
Bottom margin.
Margin.
so a page has four margins. Okay. Which are the four margins?
Top margin, left margin, right margin, bottom margin.
Okay. Now, what is the top margin? What is the top margin?
Ma'am, the margin.
The margin which is at top.
The blank space left on the top edge of the page and from where we start writing the text. That is only the, suppose here we are starting the text from here. So this is the margin here.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the space between the edge of the paper and from where we have started the text. And what is the left margin? Here, the space left.
The space is left at the left side.
On the left side at the edge of the paper and from where we started writing. And what is the right margin?
The blank place which is left at the left side.
Yes, it is a blank space left at the right side of the paper. And what is the bottom margin?
The left place at the end of the page which is left.
Okay, obviously it is the blank space left at the
Bottom.
side of the page. Okay, so here, first of all, what is margin? Learn it now itself, and you underline in your book also. What is margin? The first sentence.
A margin is a blank. A margin is a blank space between text and the sides of a page.
Okay, underline. All of you underline that sentence and learn it now itself. What is margin? Margin is a blank space left
Between text and
Text
the side
and
of the page.
side of a page. Okay, that means page margins are the blank spaces that are there on all the four sides of a page. Now, by default, the margin is set at 1 inch on each side. Okay, that means when you open a Word new document, Microsoft Word new document, by default, the margin is set at 1 inch, 1 inch top margin, 1 inch left margin, 1 inch bottom margin, and 1 inch right margin. Okay, and you can set the margin as per your requirement. That is custom margin. Custom margin means as per your requirement, you can set the margin. Okay. Now, let's see what are the steps to set the margin. First, to set page margin, first you will click on the
Margins option
in the page
in the page setup group of the page layout tab.
tab. Okay. So, okay, setting the margin. Okay. To set the margin, first you will click on the which tab?
Margins option.
Which tab? It is
In the page
Page
setup.
setup group of page layout tab.
tab is page
Page layout.
Page layout.
on the
Margin
page
Layout.
tab.
tab. See, this tab is very important. Okay, you will click on the page layout tab. Then after that, you will click on the page. Which group it is?
Setup.
Drop down menu.
No. First, you will click on the
Ma'am,
page
page
layout
setup.
tab. Then you will locate where is the page setup group. Okay. Find the page setup group. Then in the page setup group, you can find the margin.
Margin
Where
option.
you will click on margin. Alright. So margin option is there in the page setup group of page layout tab. Okay, so that is the first step. To set the margin, first you will click on the page layout tab.
Page
You
layout.
will click on the page, you will
Page
find the-
setup.
where is the page setup group, and in the page setup group you can find the margin. Okay, then as you click on the margin, just below the margin, you can find a small drop arrow. Okay, click on the drop down arrow. There you will get a drop down list. Okay, with the options. On your book, you can see the page number 4.2. It is given, no, figure 4.2. Okay, on page
Yes,
39. Okay, you will, when you click on the margin option, you will get all this: normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored. All these options are there. Normal option, it is set at 1 inch. All the margins, like right top margin 1 inch, right and left margins 1 inch each, and the bottom margin also 1 inch. And here this narrow, it is set at 0.5 inches, all the four sides. Okay, then moderate, top margin is 1 inch, bottom margin 1 inch, left 0.75, right also 0.7. Actually, all these are the predefined settings. It is already there. Okay, you have to just click on from the drop down list. Clear? You will click on the page layout tab.
Layout tab.
Page setup group. Then you will click on the margin. Below the margin, you can find a drop down arrow. You will click on that. You will get a drop down list. There you will get all these options. Okay. All these normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, all these options are there. These all are predefined settings. That means already it is set there. You can just click on it so that your document margins will change. And if you don't want all this, you don't want to select any of the this margin settings, that is the predefined settings, then you can choose your own margin as per your requirement. For that, you will click on the custom margin option. That is not there in the book. Don't search in the book. Okay, you will click on the custom margin. Over here, either you can choose any of predefined options. Or you will click on the custom. Click on the custom margin. Custom margin is choose, if you are choosing the custom margin, there you can set the margin as per your requirement. How many inches you want, top, bottom, right and left, you can set. Okay. So let me just show you the Word document. Okay, we will see in Word document. I'm going to share the screen now. Okay. So here, this is a Word document. I hope all of you can see now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I have just typed 2 lines. That that is just to show you how to set the margin. Okay, first, so this is the Word document. Here you can find the tabs. Here it is File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Page layout, References, Mailing. All these tabs are there. It is called the tabs. And as you click on any tab, you will get groups. So here we are going to click on which group?
Page layout.
Okay, page layout. Okay, this is the page layout group. Okay, page layout tab. It is click. You will get a lot of groups here. Many groups are there. Themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, arrange. All these groups are here. So
Margin.
on the page setup group. So this is the page setup group. Here you can find the margins.
Margin.
I hope you are able to see it.
Yes, ma'am.
So margin, okay, here it is. As you take your mouse pointer here, it is written also. Select the margin size for the entire document or the current section. Okay. So here just below the margin, this icon, you can find an arrow. So if you click on this arrow, you will get all drop down menu. You will get a drop down menu with all the options. Here you can find here now last custom settings which was set before. Okay, the normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirror. Okay, Office 2003 default. All these options are here. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We don't want to set all this. We don't want to use any of these. These all are already set options. It's very easy to choose. Just click on it. Okay. And if you don't want to use any of these options, then you can choose a margin of your own. For that, you will click on the custom
margin.
Okay. Just I'm clicking on the custom margin. Okay, as you click on the custom margin, you can see a dialog box here. Yes, which dialog box is this? This is the page setup dialog box. You get here. Here you can see the tabs here also. First you have the margin tabs, then you have the paper tab and the layout tab. So here we will click on the margin tab. Okay, this is the margin tab. As you click the margin tab, you can find all these top, left, bottom, right, all these options are here.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here you can type the value. Here already it's written 1. So you can type the value, suppose 2 inch you need, you can type 2. Either you can type the value here, otherwise you can these arrows keys are here, no? Spin boxes. Spin arrows you can click. Okay. If you click on the spin boxes, 1 it is already written. As I click, it will become 1.1. Okay, so when you click, you will notice that the entire document shifted this side. Okay, okay, towards the top side. Okay, this 1.1 by 0.1 inch. Each click, it is changing. You can see the top margin, it is shifting now down. As I click here, see top margin. Okay. So what happened when you click? You will notice that the entire document shifted from the selected margin. That is, we have selected the top margin. Okay, by 0.1 inch in each click. Okay. So this down arrow, if you are clicking, it is to decrease it. Now it is selected 3.1. If you want to delete, you will, as you click on this, you can see that top margin. It is changing now. Same way, bottom also. Okay, you can click on this arrows and choose it. Okay, here left also same way. You will click on the spin boxes and you can see now left margin. Here you can see the preview left margin as okay, as it is selected now 2.7. Each click 0.1 is shifted to towards the right side. Okay, so same way right also, and here you can find an option gutter. Okay, see gutter margin is an extra space left on top of this. If you click on this, you can see this left side now, suppose if you want to bind the pages, want to make it as a book, then you need more margin on the left side. Yes, no? So then you will click on the gutter margin option, and left side also, if you click, okay, left side. Suppose while binding, either you may use either the top, top margin from the top side or from the left side. So if you are, if I'm choosing the top, then you can find top margin is changing. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is needed. Gutter margin is needed when you want to bind the book. You know what is binding now? Paper, you want to make it as a book, then you will use this option. Okay. Then here you can see one below that portrait and landscape option, that is for vertical and horizontal alignment. We will be learning it. Okay. Then here normal, mirror margins, 2 pages, or all this you can select from here. Apply to the whole document. The margin which you are setting, you want to apply it for the whole document or for only this particular section. Okay. Then you will click here only for one page. Then you will this point forward. Otherwise, for the whole document, you will select. After that, you will click on the OK button. Okay. As you click the OK button, your margin is set. Now see, it was here, no? It is shifted here. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the margin settings. Okay, so first you will click on the page layout tab, click on the margin option. From here, either you can select any predefined formats or you can choose a custom margin. If you want to choose a custom margin, you will click on the custom margin. Then you will make the changes on the page. Which dialog box? Page setup.
Page.
Dialog box. Okay. Okay. So I'm choosing the normal option now. Now you can also change the margin using the ruler. Here you can find 2 rulers. This is the horizontal ruler and this is the vertical ruler. Yes. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is our horizontal. This is our horizontal ruler and this is the vertical ruler. To change a left margin or a right margin, point to the margin boundary. Here you can find the margin boundary here now.
Yes, ma'am.
And when the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, you can see now the pointer, it was an arrow. It is changed to a double-headed arrow. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can drag
Yes,
it. Okay, you can see the page is shifted here. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
This way also easily you can change your margins. And the right margin also same way. You bring your mouse pointer here. It changes to a double-headed arrow. Then you will shift the page. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Changed. Okay? Okay. So this way you can change the right or left margin. And if you want to change the top and bottom margin, what will you do? Okay. Here, this is, this is the top margin. For that, you will use the vertical ruler. Yes. So here the vertical ruler on top. Also here, this boundary, margin boundary, you can find here. You will, it is written as you take your mouse pointer there. It is showing top margin. You take your mouse pointer there. You can see that your mouse pointer again changed to a double-headed arrow. Okay.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
here you can drag it up or down where you are. You can see the margin is shifted. Okay. So I have told you 2 ways to set the margin. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Of course, your doubts will be clear. First, you understand it. One way is using the page layout tab, the page setup group. Then you will click on the margin. Drop down list comes with the options, predefined options. Any of the options you can choose. Or if you don't want to choose any of this option, then you will choose a custom margin and then you will change. I hope it is clear now. Using
Yes,
the
ma'am.
horizontal ruler as well as the vertical ruler for changing the margin. Okay. So here I am going to stop sharing. So it's clear now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so today we have studied about first Microsoft Word. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It is an application software. It is used for typing, editing, and formatting text documents. It has many features, and using Microsoft Word, you can make beautiful documents. Okay. Then we have studied about margins. What is margin? Margin is a blank space between the edge of the page and the text. Okay. And a page has how many margins? 4 margins. Which are the 4 margins? Right margin, left
Left
margin,
margin, top margin, bottom
and
margin.
bottom margin. Okay. Then how to set the margin? There are 2 ways I told you to set the margin. The first method is using the page layout tab. First you will click on the page layout tab. Then you will click on you will find there is a page setup group.
Page setup.
Page setup group, and there you will find the margin icon. Just below that you can find an arrow there. You will click on the arrow, you will get a drop down list. Okay. So you can find some predefined options on the list. Okay, like normal option, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, all these options are there. From there, you can just click on it to select any of this option. And if you don't want to select any of this option, you want to set a margin as your own, then you will choose the custom margin, and then as you click on the custom margin, you will get the page setup group. There you can click and set the margin. Okay. Also, you can use the ruler to set the margin. I hope it is clear now. So yes, Divyansh, see whose video is there only. If you raise the hand, I will be asking. Yes, Divyansh, any doubt? Yes, ask.
Miss, when we will change the when we will change the margins of the page, then it will show preview also.
Yes, of course. If you go to the custom margin, there when I was showing you in Word, you are seeing the preview now.
Yes.
You are able to see how it is shifting. Yes, no? Same way.
Yes.
If you want to set a custom margin, of course, preview will be there. When you finish your doubt, you can lower hand. Okay. Yes. Who is this? Soumya. Soumya. Okay. Any doubt? You want to ask anything? Soumya? Soumya, anything you want to ask? He has disappeared. Okay. Agrima, you want to ask anything? Agrima?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What you want to ask?
Suppose we have written a story in the Microsoft Word.
Yes.
So one para we have written this side, and we have to write on
That
this
we are
side.
going to
Can
study
be possible.
that you are talking about the intent, I suppose, that you are going to study next day, next class, setting. Today only margin. I don't want to explain that also because you will get confused. Okay, so that is why today only margin. Okay, today you understand only margin. Okay, clear? Doubt is clear? Then lower hand so that others. Anybody else want to ask? Yes, Vanshika. Any problem?
Yes, ma'am. What is the meaning of page orientation?
Page orientation means how it is, that topic is coming. We will be studying afterwards. It is means how a page is displayed, like vertically. This is vertically this way. Okay, when you are keeping your book like this, it is vertical, and this way it is horizontal. Okay. So,
Ma'am, portrait and landscape.
Yes, that is only portrait. It is another name, portrait and landscape, vertical and horizontal. Okay, that you will be studying. The topic is coming in this lesson. That we will be discussing afterwards. Yes, Ananya Dubey, anything? Ananya? Then why hand is raised? If nothing, then lower hand. Ayushi? Ayushi? Anything? Ishika Raj, want to ask something? Yes, Ishika.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, beta. Tell me.
Miss, my tablet is low percentage, is 3%. I can leave it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, bye. Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
Anybody else want to ask it? Aradhya, yes, Aradhya. Any problem?
Ma'am, how many chapters will come?
I told you, no, in the beginning. See, when I say something, you please always, when you sit with a copy and a pencil or pen, and make a note. Okay, already syllabus is uploaded in the website, and there also you can get. Okay, so this semester you will have 3 chapters, 4, 5, 6, and also test paper 1 given, that is based on lessons 1 to 4. That also will be coming. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Already syllabus is there on the website. From there you can get it. Anybody else? Yes. Who's this? Arpit? Yes, Arpit.
Ma'am,
अरे हमको पता है तुम्हारा गुड़िया रानी का अरे बाप रे बाप
Yes, sir. Any problem?
ma'am, if we make the one page like a book, it will be seen in the computer. When we will print, it will come like that only, black
It
line.
will not come like a book. You will get the space in that, enough margin space so that you can write the book. Whatever matter is you are written, that will not be lost when the margin is enough. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Anybody else? Divyansh? Anything, Divyansh? Divyansh?
नहीं आपको पता है कि मैं अनम्यूट क्या कर दूं तो बोलने लगे हो
Divyansh.
जब मैं नहीं खाता
Who is this talking in Hindi? Unmute yourself. Yes, Divyansh, unmute yourself. Anything you want to ask? Nothing. Then why the hand is raised? Ayushi? Yes, Ayushi? Ayushi? Anything? Want to ask? Ayushi? Want to ask anything? I have raised the hand. 5th E. Yes, Ayushi, tell me. What happened, Ayushi? See, if you don't want to ask anything, don't raise the hand. Yes, tell me. Nothing. Okay, then. Anybody else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so your homework today. Every day I will be giving some homework. Okay. So today we have just started the study. So read the book. We have learned only one topic, that is margin, and also learn how to set the margin. Okay. You can write, after learning, you can write once in your rough copy. And some books are there. Learn all the spellings of the new words.
Miss.
While I was going through your exam answer sheet,
Okay, miss.
I found many spelling mistakes.
Miss.
This will not happen in the next time, so that now itself you start learning the spellings. Okay, whenever you find a new word, learn the spelling. Okay, otherwise every point spelling mistakes you will be losing 0.25 marks. So make a habit of learning the spellings. Yes. Anything, Anshika, you want to ask? If nothing, then we will leave. Anshika,
Ma'am, what is importance of margin?
margin is not important. See, when you write in your copy, if you are writing without margin, how it will look? Just tell me.
Ma'am, it will not look good.
Yes, that's the only reason. Why? That is the only important.
Okay, ma'am.
So, can we leave now? Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes,
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, miss.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
That's all.
Bye,
now.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, students. So, see you in
Bye, ma'am.
next session.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, miss. Bye, miss.
I will
Thank
be
you,
asking-
miss.
I will wait.
Thank you,
Bye,
miss.
ma'am.
Bye. I will be
miss.
asking the question. So, read the book. Okay. So, bye bye. Have a nice
Okay, miss.
Bye, ma'am.